Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to troubleshoot the top 4 causes of dishwasher door latch failure. Stick around to the end of the video for some important tips on how to improve your dishwasher's performance. But before we begin, we're going to make sure the appliance is unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the water supply underneath the sink. First, we're going to check the door latch. It's what holds the dishwasher door closed. The door latch works with the door strike to hold the door closed. Depending upon how it's sold, it could be the latch itself, or it may include the strike or door switches. It's usually mounted in the control panel and works with the strike to hold the door closed. It's unusual for the strike to go bad, but make sure it's there and not loose or damaged. If the dishwasher door latch has failed, the latch won't lock onto the door strike and hold the door closed. Once you have the console open, you'll have to inspect the latch. If it's damaged in any way that's stopping it from latching properly, it'll have to be changed. If you need to order a part, simply go to AppliancePartsPros.com and type in your model number. Find your part on the easy-to-read diagrams and match it to the number below. Click on the part if you want to see more pictures of the item or watch its repair video. You can also scroll down to see DIY stories from customers like you, or ask a question in the Q&A section. Once you're ready, you can add the part to your cart. It's that easy. Most orders will arrive within 2 business days. Next, we can look at the door handle. It's what you open the dishwasher door with. The door handle is part of the latch mechanism. It's what you lift up on to open the door, and they're usually made out of plastic. Depending upon your model, the door handle may be sold with or without the latch assembly. They're located in the middle of the control panel. If the dishwasher door won't latch, it could be that the handle is damaged. It's usually attached to the latch so that when you lift the handle, the latch will release. If it's damaged, it could interfere with the latch mechanism. In order to access it, you'll have to open up the control panel. Once inside, inspect the handle for damage and replace if necessary. Now we can look at the door latch actuator. It goes between the door handle and the door latch. The door latch actuator is usually made out of plastic and comes in many different designs. It links the door handle to the door latch. The actuator, if your model has one, is located in the middle of the control panel. If the door latch actuator is broken, it might cause the door latch to fail and not open. In order to check it, you'll need to open up the control panel. Once you have access to it, inspect it for damage and replace if necessary. As always guys, hit those like and subscribe buttons now to help support us making more of these videos. Last thing to check is the door strike. It's what holds the dishwasher door closed. Door strikes have been used for many years. They're usually made out of metal with a loop on one end that the latch grabs onto to hold the door closed. The door strike is located on the top of the dishwasher in the middle. If it's missing or damaged, the door latch won't be able to hold the door closed. In order to look at the strike, you'll have to pull the dishwasher out enough to see it. If the strike is loose or bent a little out of alignment, you may be able to fix it, but if it's missing or damaged too much, then the door latch may not be able to hold the door closed and it'll need to be replaced. Now here are those performance tips we mentioned earlier. If your dishes aren't getting as clean as they used to, or there's a funny smell coming from inside, it could be that you need to do some regular maintenance to your dishwasher. First, make sure the water temperature is correct. Most manufacturers recommend the water to be around 120 degrees Fahrenheit to clean properly. You can also run the hot water in the sink until it comes out hot to clear out the cold water in the lines before you run the dishwasher. It's important for the spray arms to be clear of dirt and soap residue. Clogged spray arms can prevent the water from spraying out as intended, causing your dishes to remain dirty after a cycle. Simply take a small nail or toothpick and check all the holes on the spray arm. If any are clogged, make sure to clean them out. Be sure not to use anything that will deform the holes. It's important to inspect and clean your dishwasher's filter as well. A clogged filter will prevent the water from cycling through the dishwasher properly and can prevent the dishes from getting clean. Make sure to clean off any residue on the interior walls and gaskets. Also make sure to use a cleaner such as a Fresh or Glisten on a regular basis to help keep everything clean. Keeping everything clean will allow the water to flow properly and clean the dishes better. It will also reduce stress on the motors and pumps since they won't have to work as hard. Once you take care of the problem, you can plug the appliance in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another troubleshooting video brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons now, and if you have any questions or want to share how your repair went, leave a comment down below.